What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to the channel where we talk passive income, crypto, stocks, and affiliate marketing. Go ahead and give me that like and subscribe button for more content. Give me the L and S special. I appreciate you guys. I'm trying to get to 200 subs by the end of the month. I appreciate every last one of you guys who subbed so far. And when I looked at my stats yesterday, 80% of you guys on sub. Please give me the L and S special. Hit that like and subscribe button so you can get more of these videos. Well, let's get into the topic of today's video. But eventually, before we get into that, let's go ahead and get the disclaimer out of the way. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not here to give you financial advice. Please seek financial advice when needed. Anything that I advocate on my channel is pretty much just that. It's just that, giving me my opinion on what I am doing with my money. I may say you can do this if you want, or that, yada yada. But go ahead and don't forget to seek your own financial counsel. Let's get into today's video. From the title, you know we're about to do some ClickBank stuff. ClickBank is pretty much where I also work on getting passive income. And I'm using ClickBank for passive income, and I'm calling it that because it's very easy to do, the strategy that I use. I have a place where I get all of my, but pretty much I do email marketing. In email marketing, I just take all of my emails and I send them to a certain offer. After those offers are done, then I move on to the next offer. The offer I'm on right now doesn't seem to be it's not really catching the eye of the people on my list. And where I go to is a place called My Lead Gen Secret. My Lead Gen Secret, of which I have multiple accounts. I log into one of my accounts. This is what I do every day. After I log in, I go to the mailing system. I load up all of my leads, which you get 100 a day. Unless someone signs up under you, then you get 200 per day, which is the level I'm at. And you can also sign up under yourself with, I'm not sure if there's a limit, but some people have 10 accounts and some people have less. And I have 5, but as you can see, 27,000 emails I can send to right now. 27,000 subscribers to that list. I can send an email right now, but I think I have to wait a little bit longer. And yes, you have to wait 23 hours before you can send another email. So I have about another 4-5 hours left to go as of now. So what I would do is just come to ClickBank, and let me go down here to my ID. As you can see, I have made money with the system. There was a payment of $10.90. And right now, my total balance for this week is $12.11. So that's what I'll get paid on the next pay period, of which I have my minimum. I think my minimum was set as $10. You can go in and change it once you go in and set up your payment information, how you wish to receive it. I have mine set. I'm gonna have to go in and change it to about 50 to 100 at least, so I can let the money kind of build up a little bit. They don't really want them to send me a payment at $10 at every $10. So as you can see, I do have the sale that was on the 20th, but that was pretty much another offer that I was on. The offers that I'm on right now don't seem to be getting any traction. So let's go ahead and go here so I can show you where we're getting those emails from. And though, if it's your first time watching, if you don't understand everything, just go back to the very first video in the series, the ClickBank to Profit series, or the ClickBank $5,000 a month series challenge. Go ahead and check that out, and that will pretty much give you all of the information that you would need to get up to date on what I am doing. But what I'm going to do is just go to the marketplace. It's pretty much where all the offers are. And while waiting for that to load up, okay, we got to load it up. Let's see. We're going to go over to the e-business and marketing, because that's where pretty much where the niche that our emails are in is in marketing. Pretty much make money online. So we're going to sort that by the gravity, so we can rank them according to the highest gravity. This is the only offer I have the sales in is this one, which is the first one. And the other two offers, this one, the live chats, and I kind of skipped over this one. I think there's some kind of way the gravity score is switched. So this one flipped. So I'm on this one right now, and I'll go back to this one after I finish with this one. But right now, this one I'm not getting any sales with this one right now, but I'm still sending emails every single day. They have about 14 emails, so I'll be sending emails to this particular offer for about 2 weeks, and then I'll go back to this one. All you have to do is click on the affiliate page, and it will take you to a page where it will show you email swipes. Click on the email swipes, and it's going to give you all of those emails that you need to send off to your list. And let's go back to, let's go up. We're going to check out the stats, go to reporting. And this is pretty much where you see how many hops you've gotten, which is clicks. And you can see the 3 different offers, the 1,700 hops on this offer, 11 order form impressions, and the 2 sales. The second one offer was 1,400 clicks, 3 order form impressions, and 0 sales. The one I'm on now has closed. It's 577 clicks, 0 order form impressions, and 0 sales. So that's where we're at. We're probably going to be on this third offer for about 2 weeks, so we'll probably end up getting more clicks than the other ones. Which, I mean, the clicks are not reaching what you're looking for. What you're looking for is the order form impressions. From what I've seen in the past, if you get about 10, it's about 1 order per 10 order form impressions. So this one is pretty much done good with order form impressions according to what the stats that I've seen. So this one has 2, which is the first order, the first offer. And let's see, let's go back here. This is normally where we come in. We click select all. We're going to send it to 27,600 people, 27,600. And just going to type in put in the subject that we copy from the site. And we would paste it here. Come down and click perfect timing. Then we would press the send button. But right now we're showing wait because there's a limit. And that's pretty much it. All we would do is copy and paste it into multiple accounts. If you have multiple accounts, the reason why I have multiple accounts because it's going to increase my chances of getting a sale with the multiple accounts. Now, if you think about it, 5 accounts, 4 of them at $200 leads per day. That's pretty much 800 leads a day. Every single day, I get 800 new leads sent to my multiple accounts. That increases my chances of getting clicks. That increases my chances of someone going to the offer page, the order page, and it also increases my chance of getting the sale. That's why the longer you are in this particular strategy and the longer you let your email list build up, since you're getting 200 a day on your other accounts, if you do the strategy the way that I'm kind of saying here, if you follow those instructions or directions, then you will have you'll have a lot of emails by the time you end up with 90 days. And just to do some math, 270 is what I have to make to break even so far in 30 days. Let's bring up this chart. So right now, this is today, don't have any sales today. So right now, I'm 245.78. And if I do go into the next month, I'll just add that into it, and we'll just keep adding and adding until we become positive or profitable. Right now, we're negative 245 because of the 2 sales for about 24.11. That kind of went into it a little bit, but that's it, guys. I appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. Appreciate you watching. I'm out.